2017 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, it comes already with 4 catalytic converters from the factory, 2 here, 2 there. Then it already comes true dual into a single in dual out or single out muffler. And the guy wanted a little bit more noise and more flow, so we put him a MAGNAFLOW dual in dual out muffler, 18-inch, then 2 1/4 tailpipes. Right there and right there. Goes over the rear end into 3.5 by 18 tips rolled edge. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Always MAGNAFLOWs, they're really quiet until you give them gas. They're really nice for like if you do a lot of off-road, like on the freeway and stuff. This is what came off. That's the original muffler that came off of it. Right there, and there's a dual inlet on it. The I-Force Toyota Tundra 2017. We got today a 2015 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 V-Force. Got the mud grill on the front, mud guard. Then what we did is we true dualed it. Still got the original catalytic converters. And then it's true dualed with a Super 10 OUTLAW FLOWMASTer into 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3.5-inch tips. Black tips. Straight out the back, rolled. Gives it that really nice clean look. There it is right there. There's a Super 10. There's a true dual. If you want to buy a truck, you buy a Tundra because it's true dual. Sounds nice from the factory, and then you just complete the look with true dual in and out the back. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Go ahead. Oh, much better. The Super 10s never disappoint. Come on. And they don't, man. They sound really good. Your Tahoe's next. TRD 4x4. Give it gas. All right. Let it ring. So we're done with the video. Black tips just give it that murder look. Completes it. Oh yeah. Another happy customer. 2007 Toyota Tundra. It's got the stock catalytic converters on it. Here and there. It's got a total of 4. We true dualed it. Straight pipe, 2 1/4 pipes into 4-inch black rolled tips. There's the tips. 2 1/4 tailpipe. Came out really nice, beautiful. Hope you guys like it. TRD edition off-road SR5. Got the 5.7 liter V8. Absolutely beautiful. (2015) Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. Really beautiful truck. Right there. Show you what we got done on it. Still got factory duals there and there, factory converters there and there. Then two more in the back, one there and one there, so a total of four. Then it comes factory true dual, and we put a MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body, dual in, single out. Then connected it to his original tailpipe and put a dual tip right there. Offset it a little bit. There it is. That's how you do them. If you guys want the muffler or the tip, you can hopefully find the link in the description if we can find one. I'll let you guys see it in a minute, let you guys hear it. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Sound decibels about 85, 90. They're on the other side, so I'm not really factor that in. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. A really nice clean look to it. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. I think I agree. I like it. (2007) Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. This is what was on it. All original dual in, single out muffler, resonator, and 3-inch tailpipe. Still got the stock converters right there, right there, right there, and right there. So it's got a total of 4. Then it was, what we did is true dual it with 2 1/4 all the way back into a FLOWMASTer Super 10, dual in, dual out. You guys can see, if you want to purchase this muffler, it's on, you can find the link in the Amazon on the bottom, in the description. Then we did the tips outside the sides. Same thing with those. You can find the link to in the description for the tips, for Amazon description. There they are, true dualed. That's how you true dual these. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is, 2007 Toyota Tundra. Let you guys hear it. Oh man, that sounds good. The way we do it, we tuck them in so much, they look clean, you don't see nothing but the tips from the sides. Like that. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra, 2007, 5.7 liter V8. Oh yeah, beast mode.